our three-step strategic plan for success, we need to take a look at the vision of the GHG companies, of which HSM plays a core role in that. And our vision is that we work with founding scientists from around the world to assist them in bringing their discoveries to the commercial markets. And we do that via a three-step strategic plan that is absolutely driven by the teams of HSM. The first step is during what we would call a grace period with our founding scientists, we develop all the documentation for the discovery, all of the market documentation, everything we need in order to convey the importance and the qualification of the discovery to the markets. We also have our science team start working, if it's an ingredient, on formulations for products. And those products that are developed are then introduced to 1, 2, 3, or all 4 of our branded product lines. In step 2, we contact our customer network throughout the world that want new products for their private label lines, and we share with them all that documentation and samples from our branded product line so they can see how it works. They love that. That saves them months in product development and batch testing and wondering what a potential end result can be utilizing the ingredient. We provide all of that for them. What does that do to our branded product lines? It now converts them to a sample shop for all of our private label customers. And number 3, if they're really excited about this, and they want to use their own manufacturer, we just sell them the raw ingredients. So in summary, for the founding scientists, we hit every facet of the industry, and for all of our customers and all of those different venues, we satisfy them with cutting-edge breakthroughs continually.